Check, check, check. Testing 1, 2. Belum bola. Bola Vinaka, everybody. Sorry, just testing the sound. Alrighty. Bola Denzel. Okay, I think that sounds good. All right, let's start. Once again, hello everybody. Thank you for tuning in to another Velomani live session. So looking forward to this. Just saying hello to a few people. Hello, Mbula Vinaka Hilda. Thank you for tuning in. Bula Denzel, Naka bro. Bula Rishi, thank you for tuning in, bro. Jamal Katu. All right, here's one from Elton John. I'm gonna start off slow with this one. Check, check. Are we still on? All right.
Oh, it's carnival night, and the string and the lights around you, hanging paper angels, painting little devils on the roof. Oh, the furnace wind is a flickering of wings about your face in a cloud of incense. Yes, it smells like heaven in this place. 'Cause I can't eat, I can't sleep, still longer for you when you look at me. That face, those eyes, all the sinful pleasures deep inside. Tell me how you know now the ways and means I'm getting in underneath my skin. You were always my original sin. And tell me why I shudder inside every time we begin this dangerous game. You were always my original sin. A dream will fly the moment that you open up your eyes. A dream is just a riddle, flows from every corner of your life. Up in the balcony, all the Romeos are bleeding for you. Hey, blowing theater kisses, reciting lies that they don't understand. 'Cause I can't eat, I can't sleep, still I hunger for you when you look at me. In that face, in those eyes, all the simple pleasures deep inside. Tell me how you know now the ways and means of getting in underneath my skin. You were always my original sin. And tell me why I shudder inside every time we begin this dangerous game. You were always my original sin. And tell me how you know now the ways and means of getting in underneath my skin. You were always my original sin. And tell me why I shudder inside every time we begin this dangerous game. You were always my original sin. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bula Vinaka. Wananavu. Bula Vinaka Mini. Welcome back. Welcome back. Bula Bernadette Chan. Lotte Navuku. Bula Vinaka. Thank you very much for tuning in. Yvonne Bulare to the West Side Gang. Thank you very much for tuning in. Son of Man. Phil Collins. Ooh. I haven't, I'm not too familiar with that one, I'm sorry, but I'll do another Phil Collins song for you. Longa Pila, sorry if I don't pronounce your name right, but Melissa, yeah, thank you for tuning in. Odette, Bula, Obi, David, Bulvinaka, my bro. All right. Bula Lavi, thank you for tuning in. This one from John Mayer. Bulvinaka, Fijian Pearl. Dedication to the Fijiana girls, to Gibbs, Nelly, Laben, and Alo. Vinaka Serra. Bro. We got this afternoon. You got this room for two. One thing I'm left to do is discover me, discovering you. 1 mile to every inch. seas of blankets. Tickle your big planes and break 'em. This is bound to be a while, and your body is a wonderland. Your body is a wonderland. I use my head. And your body is a wonderland. Something about the way your hair falls on your face. I love the shape you take when crawling towards a pillowcase. You tell me where to go, though I might lead to find it'll never let you hit the bed without my hand behind it. Won't love, won't make it. Swim in the deep seas of blankets and tickle your big plans and break on. This is bound to be a while, and your body is a wonderland. Your body is a wonderland. I use my head, and your body is a wonderland. Oh, I use my damn baby. You frustrate me. I know you're mine, oh my, oh my. You look so good it hurts sometimes. Ooh, baby. Yeah, yeah. Your body is a wonderland, and your body is a wonderland. I use my head, and your body is a wonderland. Your body is a wonderland. I use my head. Hey now now, da-da-dum, da-da-dum, da-dum, da-da-dum, da-da-da-da-dum, da-da-dum, da-da-dum, da-dum, da-da-dum, da-da-da-da-dum, da-da-dum, da-da-dum, da-dum, da-da-dum, da-da-da-da-dum, da-da-dum, da-da-da-da-dum, da-da-dum, da-da-da-da-da.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you very much. Pulavinaka once again to another Sunday session. So good to have you all online. Sorry, I posted it a bit late. Just got a bit lazy this week and didn't put up a post or share the event. I promise to do better next week. I'll post up the event early so that people can get the notification on Sunday. But we're here, so let's just enjoy ourselves, enjoy the music. Start to a new week. We're on day 10 or day 11? Is it day 11? Yeah. So day 10 actually of isolation. So we get out on Thursday. So looking forward to that. Can't wait to get out. Bula vinaka matanggali, bula ima. Vinaka. Lutua. Arnandra. Andra vinaka. Bula vinaka Serra Delay. Vinaka. Alison Spence. One song for the Fijian Sevens Gold and Bronze. Hello from the Sunshine Coast. Wananavu. Alright, this one's to the Fijian Sevens team. For the men's team that are currently in isolation or in quarantine. And to the Fijiana team. Not too sure if they've left already, but yeah. This one's for them. Sorry, just looking for my capo. Found it. This one's to our Sevens team for doing the country, making us all proud. Such an amazing week. So proud of their efforts, coming back with 2 medals. In our eyes, they're both gold medals. Here's one from Siru Serevi. Sungai Nina Hidaya Mula Satara Nauna Sayawa Sambalabu no Kutuyawa Mai Sarauti Awongo Ko Sama Inro Sakena Matani Vika Satoso Lawa Meka no Gudala Sebo Isangay na lumiyaw Tunggutan ratu Monale sungai nina hidaya Mula sa tera Nauna sayawa Sambalamu no kutuyawa mai Sarauti awongo ko sama Indro Sakina matani fika sa toso Tagameka no mudala sebo Isangay na lumiyaw Vinaka. Thank you. Vina boleh bu? Just gonna do a quick tune. This next song's for all the West Siders. All of you tuned in from the West. Saya Andre Pinakatako. Vina boleh buna vito ko ni tumai. Salolo mambimbitu yani. Votai na serengo iwe ondo kia isue levu na soso. Droni vira. Vinaka vina vito ko ni.
The sad eyes. Don't be discouraged, so you realize it's hard to take courage. You can take it all you got. Show me a smile and don't be unhappy. Can't remember when I saw you laughing. This world makes you crazy. You've taken all you can bear. You call me up and you know I'll be there. I see your true colors shining through. See your true colors. That's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. Your true colors are beautiful, beautiful like a rainbow. Woo. Show me a smile and don't be unhappy. Can't remember when last saw you laughing. If this world makes you crazy, you've taken all you can bear. You call me up, 'cause you know I'll be there. I see your true colors shining through. See your true colors. That's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors. Your true colors. They shining through. See your true colors. That's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors, true colors. They're beautiful, beautiful like a rainbow. Ooh.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bolo naka lai, naka nawalevu. Thank you for tuning in. Pashay Dangilamba. Bolo vinaka. This shout out to the 12-member fishing crew off to Alaska on Tuesday. Gee, sayawa. Blessings, God's blessings on your trip to Alaska, fishing trip. Bring back a lot of fish. Send some to Fiji. Ima. Oh, Shallow, yes. Oh yeah, I can sing that. I'll sing that on after this one. Here's an original song. A song that I released with a band Inside Out. And this one's called Sanganin Nandruka. Hope you enjoy it. Let me just do a quick tune up. Bulo, once again, if you've just joined, welcome to another Velo Mining Live session. Our Sunday session where we end off a great week and start off a new week with some good vibes, some good tunes, sharing the love, sharing the positivity, starting the new week on a high. Hey Nathan, my bro, shout out to the community, the Reg Avenue community, all the gang in Namandi Heights. This one's for you guys, for us. Sorry, let me start that again. Alright, some shout outs coming in. This next song is dedicated to the Rakua gang. Here, wash down. Sayawa, Michaela, Edmund, and Uncle Ada and Nina. Cheers to the positive vibe all the way. Wananavu, sharing some positivity. This one's to the Rakua gang. Sorry, starting again. Alright, which is acoustic, I think. My looper is playing funky a bit.
Nilakinre komalolo senda ulutu somuna karomo enasi suka lautoka ndarua sotakina orana lomangu ena levu ninongundondo mundia ngandre ni elongu meu sereka ni undomoni kondina odiendu anavula ni veikilai ni urai le suva maramana tinamu elo malenga niko senga ingo yeleoa iyo sambera nindondo mongo savakabo tukana kina no veimos imositi ruiti tobu bakana wasaliwa sena maridava yawani wanua situve iyo aquí auna senga ni una suka ni dondo mongo en ese kiva kandei nindondo monongulewa inakavoro ni utogu ni usana ngole yani kiva kadaka Gravi ni tavi ki Amerika darubi tala kina Senamani dava yawani vanua si tu veio aqui auna senga ni una suka ni ndondo mongo ena senga ni nanruka levungana vosa kola kirongoda isanongulewa momaroroya nalolomba nandodomo nayalayala ndarua budina isalewa monanuma Senamani dava neyawani vanua si tu veio aqui a una senga ni una suka ni ndondo mongo ena senga ni nanruka
Thanks. Thank you. That was an original song called Sangani Nandruka. It's on online music platforms, so you can check it out. It's also on Inside Out's YouTube page. That's Inside Out Fiji. Inside Out. Vinaka. Omats. Bolo Vinaka, brother. What sort of say? Tune manta vata tolong kita Just tune it quickly. How was this week, man? Too good. Such an amazing, fulfilling week. Topped off with a bronze medal yesterday by our Fijiana team. Just amazing. This one goes out to, I'm not sure, I think it's Ima. It's a song that you thought I was gonna sing before, but I'm gonna sing it now. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Keep the requests coming in, keep the dedications coming in. I'll try my best to read them all. I might miss out on some. Bula, Matilita, Bula Vinaka, Bula, thank you for tuning in. Yeah, so I'll try my best to read them all. Obi, Vinawalevu Thomas, thank you for tuning in, bro.
Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change, and in the bad times I feel myself Tell me something, boy. And you tired trying to fill that void? Or do you need more? Ain't it hard giving so hardcore? I'm falling. In all the good times I found myself longing for a change, and in the bad times I feel myself. I want the deep end, watches the diving. I never meet the ground. Crash to the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. In this shallow, in this shallow, in this shallow, we're far from the shallow now. Some of the deep end punches are diving. I never meet the ground and crash to the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. In this shallow, oh no, in this shallow, in this shallow, we're far from the shallow now. In this shallow, yeah, no, in this shallow, in this shallow, we're far from the shallow now. Thank you so much. Vinaka, hope you enjoyed that one. Thank you. All right. Mbula Vinaka Suzy. Next song goes out to Alai Tai, the Kaumbalavu, Leslie Ndoli Tuwai. Thank you very much for tuning in, Vinaka. And Cheryl Bula. One for the 64 Paul Sloan, Senindovu Lane in the Trans 18. Thank you very much for always tuning in, guys. Vinaka, Vinaka. All right, here's one from Fiji. has had its shares of ups and downs. So I locked it up and threw away the key. Was not prepared to fall back in love till that special someone made it possible. Me, baby, did you know I was never gonna fall in love again? Baby, did you know you resurrected that part of me again? Where would I be if I never had a beautiful woman like you? I just wanna be free. There could have been a way different if I never saw your face, baby. I was on a one-way trip to destruction, and I was never turning back. You gave me the hope I was searching for so long, baby. Now that you're in my heart, I'm never letting go. No, baby, did you know I was never gonna fall in love again? Baby, did you know you resurrected that part of me again? Where would I be if I never had a beautiful woman like you? I just wanna be free. Girl, you know you sent me onto the crossroad with a heavy, heavy load, holding on to whatever hope I got. You're the only reason it feels so different. You open up my eyes and shun the ignorance. Them a so, them a what you want. When our love keeps growing, it built me to the top. My queen, you're my one and only. I would never live another level, leave you lonely. You did you know I would never fall in love again? Baby, did you know you resurrected that part of me again? And where would I be if I never had a beautiful woman like you? I just wanna be free. Baby, did you know I was never gonna fall in love again? Baby, did you know you resurrected that part of me again? And where would I be if I never had a beautiful woman like you? I just wanna be free. Baby, did you know I was never gonna fall in love again? And baby, did you know you resurrected that part of me again? And where would I be if I never had a wonderful woman like you? I just wanna be free. Oh, baby, did you know?
Thank you so much. Thank you. That was Did You Know by Fiji. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Sorry, my harmonizer is a bit off today. If you notice, some of the harmonies are going haywire. So how my harmonizer works is whatever chord I play has to go in sync with the voice. Sometimes if I play the wrong chord, especially when I'm looping, because my guitar goes through the loop pedal, and then it goes into the harmonizer. So whatever chord I loop, when it constantly goes over, sometimes it picks up the wrong chord and then it affects my harmony or the harmonizer. It's sort of like a pedal chain. So yes, I'll try my best to not let that happen again. But yeah, sure, hope you guys enjoying it. Bula, Ali, how are you doing? How are you doing? Thank you for tuning in. Aaron, Bula. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. Harry, my brother. Bula, bro. Thank you, thank you. I think I'm gonna put on some headphones so I can hear myself properly. Maybe after this song, No rush. You know what? I'm gonna put on my headphones. Yeah, much better. My brother Harry, this one's for you. And also Ellie, this one's for you. Here's one from Ed Sheeran. Yeah. This is way better. Ooh, yeah. On a Saturday night in the summer, the sundown and the all come out. Lamborghinis, independent Hummers. The party's on, so we heading downtown. Everybody's looking for a comer, and they wanna know what you're about. Me in the middle with the one I'm loving. Figure everything out. We don't fit in well, 'cause we are just ourselves. I could use some help getting out of this conversation. You look stunning there. Don't ask the question, yeah. Yes, it's my only fear. We become beautiful people, jumped on designer clothes, front row at fashion shows. What you do and who you know. Inside the world of beautiful people, champagne and roll-up notes, prenups and broken homes, surrounded and still alone. Let's leave the party, that's not who we are. We are not beautiful. That's not who we are. We are not beautiful. LA, drove for hours last night and we made it nowhere. I see stars in your eyes 'cause we're halfway there. I'm not fazed by all them lights and flashing cameras. With your arms around me, there's no need to care. We don't fit in well, we are just ourselves. I could use some help getting out of this conversation. You look stunning, dear. Don't ask the question, dear. This is my only fear. We become beautiful people, jump down to Santa Claus. From tradition shows what you do and who you know. Inside the world of beautiful people, champagne and roll-up notes, prenups and broken homes, surrounded and still alone. Let's leave the party, that's not who we are. We are not beautiful. And
That's not who we are. We are not beautiful. And that's not who we are. We are not beautiful. That's not who we are. We are not beautiful. Yeah. Thanks.
Bulla from Wollongong. Thank you, thank you. It's freezing. Oh my gosh. Wouldn't want to be there right now. Enjoying the tropics right now. Thank you for tuning in. All right. All right. Sing one. Here's a classic one. A little bit better with my earphones, I can hear myself properly. I don't want to blast my speakers, my neighbors might call the cops for breaking curfew. All right. As it is, my acoustic guitar is loud enough.
Got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. Well, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way, my girl? My girl, talking about my girl, my girl. I've got so much honey that the bees having me. I've got the sweetest song, baby, than the birds in the trees. Well, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way, my girl, talking about my girl, my girl. Ooh, ooh, la, 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 ooh, ooh. I've got so much honey that the bees having me. I've got a sweeter song, baby, than the birds in the trees. Well, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way, my girl, talking about my girl, my girl. I don't need no money, fortune and fame. I've got all the riches, baby, one man can claim. Well, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl. I've even got the month of May. Woo. Ah, la, 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 la. Woo. Ah, la, 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 la. Woo.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Guys, just give me a second. I'm going to change my battery for my Lupa. Try and go through the comments. Check, check, check. Victor, Bulla, my brother. Guys, check out this gang on social media. So they make these amazing soaps and oils and as well as sunblocks. Dilo Up, local product. They're on Facebook, Instagram. Amazing, amazing products. I can't go without them now. I'm just addicted to them. The oils, and they've got this bomb balm where you just put on, it's bomb, B-O-M-B, B-A-L-M, bomb balm. You put on your cuts and bruises, even pimples, and the thing just miraculously goes away. Sorry, I'm just looking for my batteries. Big shout out to the gang at Lot 2 Ndingisau Road, Davulevu Heights. Wais Isa, Ratu, Wais Remboso, the man with the magic fingers. One of the best keyboard players I've ever come across in. Really talented fella. Bolu naka Ratu, naka. One taki for the brown label, taki Sara. Give me a second, let me just change these batteries, Who else we got? Harry, can you dedicate one song, Manda, for the two boys, Mesa and Timothy Solomon? Can they go live soon too, please? Yeah, sure. Tag them. So the joys of using gadgets. If you don't have the adapter, you have to buy a lot of batteries. By the way, I've just ordered the adapter for my camera so it doesn't go off all the time. You're welcome. So this is my Lupa. This is what it looks like, the thing that I'm stepping on, and it's giving those loops. Stu. Lossy. Hey, said brother Victor. All good, my bro. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Bula Vinaka from the Garden Island. Wherever you need. Blessed evening to you too. Thank you very much for tuning in. Vinaka Buna Bitoko ni. Dedication to Padam Lala Street, Namandi, Tamai Atama and Atama, from Pauliasi Tauda, Buluvinaka, Yasa. And we're back. All right, to the crew in the Wilevu housing. And to the crew in Padamlala. This one's for you guys. Also, if you're liking the music, feel free to drop a tip description in the pinned comment, as well as the description of this post. Thanks. Next song is dedicated to all the Panthers fans and to Master Ifremi. Easily. Bradley Cooper, I just sang your song. You missed it. This next song is also dedicated to the crew in Callan Street, Narere. Jane, Dhamari, Julie, Eggy, Lala, Vinny, and Lai. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys. This one's for you.
Hautangilo Niundau nanu mi ke muni Kaundau mu miuno muni Eruin renre Niuva kama uta gitu Nunggu'y tao vosso dia Mo vosso dia Nanongu mai tatau Ne kuanida Non daru veikilai Nongu la sumo kilal Nandina talenga Ni maroroya Nondaru veikilai Ngandre batu Bendua taleno muitau Kamon rau gaiwa kamau Kokayamai Nirawa mona dengutu Wakatau tungaveyau Movoso tiau Nanomu mai tatau Nekuanida Nondaru vekilai Nogula sumo kilai Nandina talenga Ne maroroinga Nondaru
Vinaka, Vinak Sarvalevu. Meanwhile, I can hear my neighbors blasting the live on their speaker. Bolo to my neighbors. Isa, Bolo Vinaka Shayan. Thank you so much for tuning in. Congratulations on a great Olympic outing. You have done us proud. Thank you so much. Thank you for your efforts. Favorite tunes to jam in from the balcony at the Olympic Village. Vinaka Valevu. Shout out to the people of VT that have supported us, Fijian athletes, and the management in Japan. Major love. Major love from Fiji as well. Cheyenne, congratulations once again. Vinaka Rene, one request from Dad. If you can, Michael Bolton, When a Man Loves a Woman. Okay, Michael Bolton. Let me see. Matangali. Mula-mula bro. Gorgi numdraw. I'm not too sure if I've done a Michael Bolton song, to be honest. Let me just see. Well. Okay, I think I got one. To be honest, I haven't done this song before. Sorry, I'll come back to that song. I just need to pull up the lyrics on this app here. Let me sing one more song and then I'll come back to that one. Let me just see. Okay, this next song is to all the Royal Super Yacht Club crew, Smith twins, Lee, Jono, Neil, Reese, Victor, and all other associates. Too many to name, but one message: ouch, Maleka, whack it, yeah. And also to Mary and Pa having a mix at Wangandra. Nice. Hey, Mbolovinaka to the crew from the Sweet City, all the Northern Club members. Thank you for tuning in. Mbolovinaka Laisani. Vinaka. Birthday shout out to Olaf Ellen of Kadiwanga Mbua, listening in this evening to the tunes. Happy birthday, Olaf Ellen. Thank you very much for tuning in. This one's for you. Oh, I might as well just do this Michael Bolton song. Really, this thing taking too long.
Oh, yeah. Ba-da-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum, da-da-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-ba-da-da-dum, da-da-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum. I breathe you in without fail, and then I think twice before I exhale. But you're not mine to keep. You tell me you wanna be free. You wanna keep it nice. You wanna keep it low key. But don't bring me down. Won't you try to understand me? Won't you come a little closer and let me whisper to you? And I say you don't have to worry about a single thing. Let me sing to you. Whoa, you don't have to worry about a single thing. Let me sing to you. Now I know you're the type who throw my hopes away. 'Cause you like to shake me off and bring me up night and day. 'Cause you can do what you like. I'm not trying to be your one and only. I'm just trying to make you feel good. So good, so good, so good. So don't bring me down. Won't you try to understand me? Won't you come a little closer and let me whisper to you? And I said you don't have to worry about a single thing. Let me sing to you. Whoa, yeah. You don't have to worry about a single thing. Let me sing to you. I said you don't have to worry about a single thing. Let me sing to you. Oh, ooh, yes, you don't have to worry about a single thing. Let me sing to you. Ba-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum, da-da-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum. You don't have to worry about a single thing. Let me sing to you. Whoa, yeah. You don't have to worry about a single thing. Let me sing to you. Whoa, 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 da 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 da. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, 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 da 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 da. Yeah, yeah. Thanks. Thank you very much, Vinaka. All right, let's attempt this song. Give it a try.
Here's one from Michael Bolton. Such a shame that I haven't really done any of his songs. Shame on you, Cookie. But there's always a first for everything, and here goes nothing. I haven't tried this song before. And this one's for... somebody requested this, Michael Bolton. Renee Brown. Hope you enjoy this one. Like I said, I haven't done this song before, so here goes nothing.
You are the candle, love's a flame, a fire that burns the wind and rain. Shine your light, this heart of mine, to the end of time. You came to me like the dawn to the night. You shone and light the sun. Out of my dreams and into my life, you are the one. You are the one. Said I loved you, but I lied. This is more than love I feel inside. I said I loved you, but I was wrong. Love could never ever feel so strong. I said I loved you, but I lied.
Sorry, is my guitar coming through? My apologies.
With all my soul, I tried in vain. How can mere words, my heart explain? The taste of heaven, so deep, so true, I found in you. So many reasons, so many ways. My love is just begun. Need you forever, I need you to stay. You are the one, you are the one. Said I loved you, but I lied. This is more than love I feel inside. Said I loved you, but I was wrong. Love could never ever feel so strong. I said I loved you, but I lied. Loved you, but I lied. This is more than love I feel inside. I said I loved you, but I was wrong. I said I loved you, but I was wrong. Love could never ever feel so strong. Said I loved you, but I lied.
Thank you so much. I think now my guitar battery has given up. So sorry about that, but I hope you enjoyed that. We're in number 3. Right. We got power, guys. Thank you. I want to share an original song with you guys. I just released this song last week. And it's a reggae song. We're still working on the video clip. Apologies for the delay. I know I I did mention that I was gonna release it with a song, but due to us going into isolation, obviously this was unforeseen, so we couldn't do anything about it. But the video clip will come out hopefully next week. So this is "Girl It's You," original music. Hope you enjoy this one.
Oh, pretty thing, I've been thinking about you for a while. You got the look that made me fall in love on the first sight. Oh, your smile lighting up the room. How could I not be so attracted to you? It's so odd, cause when I close my eyes I see your face. So amazing how you're framed up in my memory. The more I see you, girl, the more I want you next to me. Make it true, make it our reality. I've been wanting to tell you how I feel, how I really feel, baby. I've been yearning to show you how I really feel. Girl, it's you. I want you. All of me is in love with you. Girl, it's you. I want you. All of me is in love with you. Now I think about all the opportunities. I kick myself inside thinking that it could have been. But I guess the time and place will eventually come upon us not so distantly. You're the type of girl any man would wanna have. So distinctively beautiful, no gulewa. Give me a chance to express myself, show you how I feel. Stop by saying that I've been wanting to tell you how I feel, how I really feel, baby. I've been yearning to show you how I really feel. Girl, it's you. I want you. All of me is in love with you. Girl, it's you. I want you. All of me is in love with you. Yo, hey, baby, let me put my rubber dub and loving on ya. I'll show you how a real queen should be treated lower. You've cast me on my spell, taking over all my feelings. Now I can't shake this off, for you alone I'm needing. I will love you non-stop till forever, baby. All I need is one chance, I'ma show you, lady. My inner feelings are strong, you and I we belong. Hear me, baby, when I say that, girl, it's you. I want you. All of me is in love with you. Girl, it's you. I want you. All of me is in love with you. Girl, it's you. I want you. All of me is in love with you. Yeah. Baby, let me put my rubber dub and loving on ya. I'll show you how a real queen should be treated lower. You've kissed me on a spell, taking over all my feelings. Now I can't shake this off, and you alone I'm needing.
Thank you. That was an original song called "Girl It's You." It's on all online music platforms. So go ahead and purchase it. Yeah, you can if you're on iTunes or you have Apple Music, you can buy the track for 99 cents US, which is $1 or $2 Fijian. Or if you're on a streaming platform, which is Spotify or iTunes or Amazon, yeah, you can check it out. And the music video will be dropping soon. We're just finishing up with the edit, and yeah, we're gonna release it. I have a lot of content coming up, a lot of exciting stuff. I just cannot wait to share it with you guys. I've been doing a lot of production work here at home. Yeah, and I cannot wait to share a lot of new content with you guys. Original music. Thank you. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you. So let me just tune up my guitar, fast kind. Like I always say every Sunday, I look forward to these sessions. I love the interaction. I love the dedications, the comments, and just seeing where people are tuned in from all over the world, all over Fiji. So thank you. This is always a great start to the week. Like I said, just spreading good vibes and positivity. So a big Vinaka Vakalevu for tuning in, and for those of you that always tune in every week, appreciate you all. Vinaka. This is a track by UB40 that I love. I'm gonna sing it for you guys. This will bring back a lot of memories. Bolo Vinaka Titui, Nawalevu. Thank you very much for tuning in. Vinaka Navito Koni. James, bulo may samambula. Vinaka.
Daddy, don't go out tonight. Just stay home till morning light. Me and Mama don't feel right. Please hold us tight. Daddy, why did you go to work when you know just how much we love you so? Please come back tomorrow. They're giving out guns in the ghetto. They sing it'll set you free. One day I have children of my own, but I don't think they won't hear me. Mama isn't daddy home. Why are you crying all alone? Mars is a tombstone, and I'm all alone. Isn't daddy back? I'm getting scared, that's a fact. Why are we all dressed like that? All in black. They're giving out guns in the ghetto. They sing it'll set you free. Oh, one day I had children of my own, but I hope that they won't hear me. Daddy, don't go out tonight. Just stay home till morning light. Me and Mama don't feel right. Please hold us tight. Daddy, why did you go to work when you know just how much we love you so? Please come back tomorrow. They're giving out guns guns in the ghetto. Yeah, you sing, it'll set you free. One day I had children of my own, but I hope that they won't hear me. They're giving out guns in the ghetto. You sing, it'll set you free. One day I have children of my own, but I hope that they won't hear me. One day I had children of my own, but I hope they won't hear me. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's a beautiful song. That was Guns in the Ghetto by UB40. It's one easily moment there. Take you back to the days. Yeah, see? Alrighty. Bunde manda. Satanga mutanga mutangamu, satandola tandola tandola, sabaditanga mutanga mutangamu, satandola tandola tandola, dola dola, uyamberatore ayane, uyamberatore. Sobe. Osang, mulai tarohe, pato mele diambula
Thanks. Naka, boleh bu. Thank you very much. Bulasu, all the way in Australia. All right, here's Heaven. Heaven by Bryan Adams. Oh, let's tune quickly. Sorry, my gadgets are giving me a hard time tonight. Sorry about that. All right. Ooh, yes. Sope, Bula, bro. Dedicate the next song to you and your beautiful wife. Happy anniversary. Isa, happy anniversary, guys. This one's for you guys.
Oh, thinking about our younger years, there was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing can take you away from me. We've been down that road before, but that's over now. You keep me coming back for more. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. This loving is all that I need, and I found it there in your eyes. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. Oh, once in your life you find someone who will turn your world around, bring you up when you're feeling down. Yeah, nothing can change what you mean to me. Oh, it's a lot that I could say, but just hold me now, 'cause the love will light the way. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. 'Cause loving is all that I need, and I found it there in your eyes. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. 'Cause I've been waiting for so long for something to right. more to come along. And now my dreams are coming true. Just the good times in the bay. And I'll be standing there by you. And baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. 'Cause loving is all that I need, and I found it there in your eyes. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. Oh, ooh, oh, 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 you're all that I want. You're all that I need. 'Cause loving is all I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is going to be my last song for tonight. Would like to thank you all for tuning in. Oh yes, and my camera has gone with the wind. That song was for Chope. Congratulations, bro. Thank you for tuning in. To you and your beautiful wife, a happy anniversary. I dedicate this next song to Adrian Underwood, who has passed in a bomb attack last Thursday. Oh, Isa, sorry. In Omar. Remembering the loss of our brother here in. So sorry to hear about that. This next song is dedicated to Adrian. Alright, I guess we have our final song. Bolovinaka Litia and Natasha. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all the comments, all the dedications, and all the reactions and the shares and everything. Yeah, it's been a great week. Obviously for the whole of Fiji, despite the current pandemic that we're going through. I know there was the Fiji team to the Olympics have just brought us a lot of good news and a lot of joy, a lot of happiness, and has really united us. I'd like to thank Team Fiji to the Olympics for all the sports. You guys did amazingly well. And we'd like to congratulate you guys once again. Yeah, so new week. Everybody have a great week. Stay safe. Remember the COVID safety measures. And see you next week. It's going to be my last song. Hope you enjoy this one. Bula Vinaka from Northwest Florida. Bula, Irene, thank you for tuning in. Unfortunately, this is going to be my last song. Hope you enjoy this one.
Sirei manon runga una saoti kau akina nonda ruwe damoni nonda rona vura vura oiko keiau nonda runga una emuri meu tukuna daruna vaka mau serei malei vosani ala ala kosangu ile dava vuni marama miutu koyau kongole sara nongu narara ve mongi kedenga vimongi kevenga namatamu evo tuveya aunga irongo danadamu serei malei nanungu sedikau Raiko vimongi kevenga namatamu evo tuveya aunga irongo danandomu serei malei nanungu sedikau utongu menomuni utongu menomuni utongu menomuni utongu
Vinaka Valevo, everybody. Have a great week. See you same time, same place next week.
Love you long time. You.